smaller number from bigger number. Here is my problem. Question is 71,426 minus 57,583. Next. 3. We can subtract 3 from 6. Answer is 3. 6 minus 3. Answer is 3. We cannot subtract 8 minus 2. 8 from 2. Then we can take borrow from hundreds place. Hundreds plus 4 will become 3. 2 will become 12. 12. Next 8 of 2. 8 of 2. 9, 10, 11, 12. Answer is 4. We cannot subtract 5 from 3. Then we can take borrow from thousands place. In the thousand place 1 will become 0. In the hundreds place 3 will become 13. Count 5 of 2 till 13. 5 of 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Answer is 8. We cannot subtract 7 from 0. Then we can take borrow from 10,000 place. In 10,000 place 7 will become 6. 10. Okay. 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. Answer is 3. Next. We can subtract 6 minus 5. Answer is 1. Answer is 13,843. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Nikita. I am studying in 4th class in Delhi Public School. Today I am explaining about subtractions. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. The problem is 81,423 minus 68,259. Come to the ones place. 3 minus 9. It is not possible. That's why we have to take borrowing. 2 will become 1. 3 will become 13. 13 minus 9. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. The answer is 4. Come to the tens place. Here 1 minus 5. It is not possible. That's why 4 before 3. 1 minus 5. It is not possible. That's why we have to take borrowing. It is 11. 11 minus 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The answer is 6. Come to the next place. 3 minus 2. The answer is 1. Come to the next place. 1 minus 8. It is not possible. 8 will become 7. 1 will become 11. The answer 8 after 9, 10, 11. The answer is 3. 7 minus 6. 6 after 7. The answer is 1. The answer is 13,164. Thank you.
My name is Harshit. I am from Vilsavelli. I am studying 4th class at Delhi Public School, Samanasa. Today I will solve the subtraction. That is 74,678 minus 58,699. We cannot subtract 8 8 minus 9. So we should borrow 1 from 7. 7 will become 6 and 8 will become 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. Next, we cannot subtract 6 minus 9. So we should borrow 1 from 6. 6 will become 5 and 6 will become 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. We cannot subtract 5 minus 6. So we should borrow 1 from 4. 4 will become 3 and 5 will become 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. 3 minus 8. We cannot subtract 3 minus 8. So we should borrow 1 from 7. 7 will become 6 and 3 will become 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. We can subtract 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Thank you so much, ma'am.
My name is Kavya. Today I am going to explain one subtraction problem. So this is my problem. 1 minus 4 is not possible. We have to take borrow from 3. 3 will become 2. 1 will become 11. 11 minus 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 is the answer. 2 minus 8 is not possible. We have to take borrow from 5. 5 will become 4. 2 will become 12. 12 minus 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. Answer is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 0 minus 5 is not possible. We have to take borrow from 7. 7 will become 6. 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 6 minus 4. 5, 4, 3, 2. 2 is the answer. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Satvika. I'm studying in grade 4. Now I'm doing subtraction. This is my subtraction. 3 minus 6. We cannot do 3 minus 6. That's why we have to go to borrow. Here tens place we have 0. That's why we cannot take that. That's why we have to go to 100 place. 100 place we have 7. 7 we can take. That's why the 7 will become 6. The 0 will become 10. We will give to 3 ones place, right? That's why it will 9. Here 3 will become 13. 13 minus 6, 7. 9 minus 1, 8. 6 minus 2, 4. 0 minus 8 we cannot take. We have to go to 10,000 place for borrow. 5 will become 4 and 0 will become 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 4 minus 3, 1. The answer is 12,400.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Jayalalitha. I am studying 4th class. Today we discuss subtractions. The question is 5,82,621. minus 2,97,973. We cannot subtract 3 from 1. So we take borrow. 2 come 1. 1 come 11. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The answer is 8. We have to write 8. We cannot minus 7 from 1. That's why we take again borrow. 6 will come 5. 1 will come 11. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The answer is 4. We cannot subtract 9 from 5. That's why we take borrow. And 2 became 1 and 5 became 15. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The answer is 6. We cannot minus 7 from 1. That's why we take borrow. 8 comes 7. 1 comes 11. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The answer is 4. We cannot subtract 9 from 7. That's why we take borrow. And 5 will come 6. 5 will come 4. 5 became 4 and 7 comes 17. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. The answer is 8.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Rohan. I am studying in Delhi Public School. Today I will explain subtraction problem. The problem is 12th problem. Question is 71,426 minus 57,583. We can subtract 6 minus 3 is 3. We cannot subtract 2 minus 8. We can take borrow from 4. 4 will become 3. 2 will become 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. We cannot subtract 3 minus 5. We can take borrow from 1. 1 will become 0. 3 will become 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. We cannot subtract 0 minus 7. We can take borrow from 7. 7 will become 6. 0 will become 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. The answer is 13,843. Thank you, ma'am.
My name is Shlok Verma. I am studying in grade 4 in Delhi Public School. I am going to today solve a subtraction problem. The problem is 67,413 minus 18,265. First we have to subtract 5 from 3. Doing that is not possible. So we take borrow from the next number, which is 1. Once we take borrow from the next number, 1 will become 0 and 3 will become 13. 13 minus 5 is 8, so we put the answer as 8 here. And now we have to subtract 6 from 0. Doing that is also not possible, so we take borrow from the next number, which is 4. Once we take borrow from 4, 4 becomes 3 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is 4, so we put the answer as 4 here. And now we have to subtract 2 from 3. If we do that, the answer will be 1, so we put the answer as 1 here. Now we have to subtract 8 from 7. Doing that is also not possible, so we take the borrow from the next number, which is 6. Once we take the borrow from the next number, which is 6, 6 will become 5 and 7 will become 17. And now 8 minus 17 is 9. So we put the answer as 9 here. And now we have to subtract 1 from 5. Once we do that, the answer will be 4. So we put the answer as 4 here. Now finally the answer is 49,148.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ritvik. I am from 4th class, International Delhi Public School, Namdapuram. Today I am going to explain how to do 5-digit subtractions. To solve the problem, first we have to note the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Here we have 74,678 minus 58,699. Here we can't subtract 9 from 8. So we have to take borrow from the next place. Here 7 will become 6 and 8 will become 18. And 18 minus 9 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. Here we can subtract 9 from 6. So we have to take borrow again from 6. Here 6 will become 5. And 6 will become 16. 16 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. Here we can't subtract 6 from 5. So 5 becomes 4 becomes 3 and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. We can't subtract 8 from 3. So 3 becomes 7 becomes 6. 3 becomes 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5. 13 minus 8 is